Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. I'm going to show you how, and it's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Instagram. And then after that, from the home screen, you're going to navigate to your profile icon, the bottom right corner. Then you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. And from there, you're going to click on settings and privacy. And then you're going to go, and not actually scroll up, you're going to go up. You're going to go up to Account Center. From Account Center, you're going to click on Sharing Across Profiles. And then from there, you're going to click on Account Ownership and Control. And from there, Deactivation or Deletion. And then you click on your Instagram account and then deactivate. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you later.